What's going on, folks? Alright, I'm gonna pick, this one is Bacardi number 31. It's been a while since I picked a challenge lock, so yeah, I did pick it before I made the video. But yeah, I'm gonna pick this one. Before I start, go check out Discord if you haven't been on there yet. Links in the description. This lock was sent to me by Bronx. His channel's gonna be in the description along with Mr. Bacardi's. And my email's in the description too. So y'all know how to get a hold of me if you guys want to. But let's go ahead and pick this lock and see how bad it teases me. Alright, let's make sure I'm wondering if one of those pins is hanging up, because it's just picking way too quick for a Bacardi lock. Yeah, I can tell I'm definitely rusty at making videos. Don't have anything set up the way I left it. Forgetting to zoom in. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's see, 3 gave me a click. That was 5. Four gave a couple of clicks. That was 4, I believe. You have a small counter and a click. That one feels set. That was 2. That gave me the deep false set. Don't tell me you're gonna be camera shy. There we are. Thought number 3 was giving some counter. Alright. Now, zoom out before I forget. Move that up there, and we will go with a small blue pinning tray this time. And this one is the one, where is it? Here it is. This one is the one where he, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up. There we are. Too bright. Slide the top back to gut it. So that's what we will do. This one was pinned by him on 4/29 of last year. So let's see about sliding the top back. This would be a good job for this tension wrench. Alright, number 1. It's like a copper spring. And let's see what we've got for pins. Oh, we have drill protection, I believe is what that is. Very nice spool. No, that would be... oh, I left it picked. That's why I'm not getting drivers out. But this would be the retainer. Was not expecting that. Yep, that would be the retainer. Wow, that's a good steel spring there. Very nice double spool. Should have pulled these tags off. Going to pull this the rest of the way off. Number 2 or 3 is a steel. Sure, someone's gonna be laughing at me because I had to look at the camera and make sure I went the right way there. I think people more or less watch my videos for the comedy. See how many times they can laugh at me in each video. Very nice serrated. Leave that one went in there like that. Now that I know how to pull that core out, I will be pulling the core just to see what's been done to it. And then that one came out like that. So all that's left is the key pins. Alright, retainer plate is out, and push the core out. Very interesting design core. Oops, out of frame. I guess and say that's counter milled there. That one, first one did not want to come out. Wow, that's an amazing looking pin. Alright. Let's see what we've got in the core. Yep, number 1 is counter milled, 2 and 3 are threaded, 4 is counter milled, and 5 is just smooth. It looks like two, 3, and 4 are threaded in the Bible. And let's see if we can show off the pins without the black lines in the screen. Very nice looking pins. Oh, and I needed to look at number 4 to find out how that top pin went in, because I did not see how that one came out. 4, exactly the way it is there, because of the counter milling. Alright, folks, check out Mr. Bill Bacardi. I'm sure you have if you're watching me, along with Bronx Lockpicker 60. He sent it, so yeah, go check out those two guys. Check out Discord, got a lot of great people on there, always talking. And until next time, I will catch you later.